You ready, Panda?
I'm ready. Let's go. Panda Express. Here we go.
Go!
Woo! 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 I had him by a mile. I know. These fucking bibs.
I just texted you. I didn't know you were next to him. Like, you should probably lose your
Jared. Oh, I did it.
You did.
Noah.
Now what are you gonna do to this piece of shit?
I don't know.
I had a feeling those things were gonna weigh you down.
Well, this thing's a tank. I ain't doing another run.
Oh no! Don't tell me I'm.
You didn't record it. Cool.
Hold on, let it catch up. Maybe she can send it to me.
Who?
Did it?
Oh, I couldn't get that thing out. It went like a bat out of hell, but it fills up with water. Oh well, I ain't doing the losing. I'm good.
No.
Can I get an after?
I didn't die.